Patwahboss, me have something to give you, you know.
Hey, Grams, how are that? Me excited, man.
Calm down, man. You're too anxious. You need some patience. Here is a book me have.
The book of Proverbs? Like what? Bible Proverbs?
No, idiot. It is a book of Jamaican Proverbs.
Oh. Oh, welcome back. This is Tevin, the Jamaican Patwahboss, and welcome again to the Jamaican Patwa Corner. Now, before we actually go into the book of Proverbs, there is something that you should actually know about Jamaican Proverbs. A proverb can be regarded as a way of saying something and hiding its meaning. Jamaican Proverbs are old traditional sayings which dates back to the early 16th century, where they were formulated by our ancestors. Jamaican Proverbs highlight humor and aspiration as a source of warning and advice. For nearly every important occurrence in a Jamaican daily life, there is a relevant proverb for that. So as you can see, Grams gave us his book of Proverbs. So in this video, we'll be taking a look at some Proverbs.
You need to start at this section of the book that deal with patience, because you don't have none.
Well, as you just heard from him, we'll be looking at 3 Jamaican Proverbs from this book that deals with having patience. You ready? Number 1, patient man, ride donkey. So the direct translation for that is, a patient man rides donkey. The meaning for that is, it is customary that travelers in a great hurry are unwilling to go via the slow but sure donkey. For them, a horse used to galloping at terrific speed for sustained period seems like a more logical choice. However, the donkey, although much slower, eventually gets to its journey's end. Similarly, we must exercise great patience in order to reach our goals. So in other words, slow but consistent progress will lead to success. Number 2, and in a lion mouth, take time, take ye out. The direct translation for that is, when your hand is in a lion's mouth, take your time and take it out. The meaning for that is, exercise patience and caution and try not to make a bad situation worse. In other words, don't push it over the edge. Number 3, tanasi, no spoil the dance. The direct translation for that is, stand and see, do not spoil the dance. Meaning for that is, everything isn't about you. Sometimes you have to stand aside and wait for some situations to play out, especially when it has nothing to do with you. So in other words, don't inject yourself in other people's business. Okay guys, so now you know these 3 proverbs, their translation and their meaning. Let us take a look at how Jamaicans use these proverbs in a regular conversation.
Patwahboss, you know, say me have something what me want to tell you from the other day, you know. You know, see, say the one stammer, they take up the whole of the program time. We need to do something about him.
So Gramps, you mean like take him off of the show? But remember saying there before you.
He might come there, change the argument, change the argument.
Wagwan.
You see what me they talk about, Patwahboss? Me say get rid of him.
Grams. He's fight. You fight against me.
All you do, stammer boy, is take up the program time. You know, see, say you can't chat.
But Grams, you know, say patience and have still enough, because the audience love him, you know, even though it take long to talk. But your book of Proverbs say patient man ride donkey. You say me can't chat. You do. He's sleep. And the Rasta boy,
But see ya, Them have one saying where them say, when an in a lion mouth, take time take you out. Stammer boy, be careful how you chat to me, you hear?
Grams, still. Me have a gift for you. Don't move. What this?
Pillow? Patwahboss, you see all of them insult here?
Una top mix me up. Them have one proverb I say, tanancy, no spoil the dance. And that me I do. But Gramps, pan a level still. Everybody don't know say, you soon drop asleep.
Me? Drop asleep? No sir. Where sleep I go?
A few moments later.
Gramps!
Huh? I never me innocent.
Patwahboss, you know, say Gramps. We waste our time. Him drop asleep again.
Tama, you know say pan a level still, you need to write what you want to say on paper, you know. You and Gramps, only no make one. So, if you ever want to tell someone to be patient, like how a Jamaican would say it, then using one of these 3 proverbs would be a great way to do it. Okay guys, welcome to the Big Up segment, and in this segment we'll be giving shoutouts to the first 5 persons that commented on our last video, which was Jamaican surprise expression. Now, these persons are, so number 1 we have Glenmark Smelly, and this person said, "What's up Patwahboss? Continue to do your best bro, enough respect my family." Thank you very much Mark, and big up yourself. So number 2 we have Wayne DY, and this person said, "Wam Patwahboss, I am Asian, Jamaica is also a part of me." Well, I'm happy to hear that, Wayne, and thank you very much for watching, and big up yourself. Number 3 we have Linda Butler, and this person said, "Great job Tevin, always leaving me amazed." Thank you very much for watching, Linda, and big up yourself. Number 4 we have Chevelle, and this person said, "Keep up the work." Thank you very much for watching, Chevelle, and big up yourself. So number 5 we have Roshan Hunter, and this person said, "Yes historian, keep them coming." Thank you very much Roshan, and big up yourself. Okay guys, so those were the 5 first persons that commented on our last video. Now if you haven't gotten a shout out in any of my videos, then I just want to tell you, big up yourself, and thank you very much for watching. And if you want to get a shout out in my next video, make sure you're one of the first 5 persons to comment on this video. Also, we have a viewer by the name of Marisha Eden from Honduras, and she also sent in a video.
Hola todo mundo, hi everyone, my name is Marisha Eden. I am from Roatan, Honduras. I am a big fan of the Patwahboss. It's a must watch, so please remember to subscribe, like and share. Yeah man.
So thank you Marisha for that video, and big up yourself. So if you have made it this far in the video, I want to thank you very much for watching, and this is the Patwahboss saying, "Walk good," and see you in the next video.
If you want to learn Patwahboss, I'm the teacher.